turn it on first.
Hi, kids.
No way, Mom. Mom, it's so hot and greasy.
No need to hide with Human Nature Skin Shield Oil. This moisturizing blend of oil, natural ingredients is gentle on skin, safe for kids, and kind to the environment.
It's cold, Mom.
For 8-hour protection, use Skin Shield Oil by Human Nature. Apart from the common bacterial and viral infections, mosquito-borne diseases are on the rise. Upon going out in the morning, there's a threat for dengue. Cause mosquitoes are ready to attack you and your family anytime, anywhere. So protect your family's skin when you explore the great outdoors with Human Nature Skin Shield Oil. Proven effective, and it works for 8 hours, so your family is protected until they went back home. Skin Shield Oil, trusted by moms.
Are you pushing more than what's needed? Just to keep your child protected from mosquitoes? Skin Shield Oil has nothing but protection. It contains no paraben, no synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, or other toxic chemicals. Just the trusted Skin Shield Oil needed for your child's delicate young skin. Because you don't need a lot of extras to show that you care.
Nina, do you use mosquito repellent?
Yes, I do.
What brand do you use?
Human Nature Bug Shield.
Why do you use this brand?
Because it smells good with orange oil and citronella oil.
Do you recommend this brand to other kids like you?
Yes, because it's safe for us kids.